Hey everyone, it's Jen once again, and I'm going to show you the washer Japanese candy drink mix. So I put the washer together, and I did this side like this, and look how cute it is. So cute. All right. Here's what it looks like. Here's the top. You open it up, that's what it looks like inside. It has a little scoop for you to scoop the drink powder inside. And then it's got a little, sorry, got a little turner on it. So I can sit there and turn this. Sorry about my finger. Oh, it's really big. So here's what it would look like. It like really spins. Spin. Alright, so here's going to show you how it's going to be done. I'm trying to figure out how to do this so you can still see and I can still do my job. Alright. There may or may not be cats in this video. Alright. So we have to put it up to the water line. So there's that little water line in there. So I'm going to get the water, fill it in here. Okay, I do this without spilling. And totally spilling. Let's see, did I fill it? Oh, too much. Too much water. There we go. It's a little bit too much, but it's enough water in there. So here's the water in there. Alright, now, according to a YouTube video that I watched, you need to put 2 scoops of the powder in. So I'm going to try to put this down, and you're just going to pretty much watch the ginormous face while I scoop it here. So here, this is the powder. This is what the powder container looks like. It is a it's like a white powder. The back of the package said mocha powder, yogurt flavor. So that sounds interesting. So I need 2 scoops of this mocha powder, which I'm pretty sure I'm mispronouncing. I'm guessing it's not mocha. Here is 1 scoop. Let me show you and not tip it. It's not even a full scoop. Gotta like really pour it in here. So I just really pour it in there. Okay, so this is more like most of the scoop. Just scoop in here. Let me do another scoop. It's too much. And another scoop. And this is where the magic happens. I gotta figure out how to do the magic. Alright, so we close the lid. And let's see how I could aim this so you can see it. I need another hand. Hold on. Oh, that is the camera. Okay. Alright. Here we go. We need to start turning it. It's supposed to fizz up. Totally need like 6 hands here. Stir it, shake it. There's already starting to bubble up. Look at that drink fizz. I don't know what it's going to taste like. I'm not sure how yogurt pop's going to taste. But it's fizzing up like laundry. Minus it not being laundry, which sounds kind of gross. Alright. Giant thing there. Here is the moment. Ah! Stir it up a little bit. Ooh, it's foaming now. Look at it foam. You giggling back there? Okay, I better drink before it starts to over foam here. Alright, here we go. I'm going to try it. That tastes so weird. It's like drinking slightly sour. Someone's calling me. Anyways, if you like this video and you want me to try any more of the Japanese DIY kits, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.